Awning windows are a popular choice for many homes in Sterling Heights because they provide excellent ventilation while keeping rain out. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows are practical, energy efficient, and great for letting in fresh air. However, like any part of your home, awning windows don't last forever. Over time, wear and tear can affect their performance, comfort, and appearance. Knowing the signs that it's time to replace old awning windows can help you maintain a comfortable, efficient home. Difficulty opening or closing. One of the most noticeable signs that your awning windows need replacing is difficulty operating them. If your windows stick, jam, or require extra force to open or close, it could indicate worn-out hardware, warped frames, or aging components. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, older windows that consistently struggle to function properly often signal a deeper problem. Replacing them with modern awning windows ensures smooth operation and restores the convenience you expect from your windows. Drafts and air leaks. Sterling Heights experiences cold winters and warm summers, so proper insulation is essential for maintaining indoor comfort. If you notice drafts near your awning windows, even when they are closed, it may mean the seals have deteriorated or the frame has shifted over time. Air leaks allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. Replacing old awning windows with newer, energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's insulation and help reduce energy costs. Condensation between glass panes. Many older awning windows use double-pane glass for insulation. When the seal between the panes fails, moisture can get trapped inside, creating fog or condensation that cannot be wiped away from either side of the glass. This type of condensation indicates that the insulating seal is broken and the window is no longer performing efficiently. Replacing the window restores clear visibility and improves thermal performance, helping keep your home comfortable year-round. Visible damage or decay. Physical damage is another clear sign that your awning windows may need replacement. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, rusted hinges, or warped materials can all affect the window's durability and functionality. In Sterling Heights, seasonal temperature changes and moisture can accelerate wear on older windows. If the frames show signs of deterioration or the structure feels unstable, installing new awning windows can restore both safety and appearance. Increased outside noise. Windows play an important role in blocking outdoor noise. If you've noticed that traffic sounds, neighborhood activity, or other outside noises seem louder than they used to, your old windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. Modern awning windows are designed with improved glass technology and tighter seals that help reduce noise transmission. Replacing outdated windows can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Higher energy bills. Rising heating and cooling costs can sometimes be traced back to inefficient windows. Older awning windows may lack modern energy-saving features such as improved glazing, insulated frames, and advanced sealing systems. If your energy bills continue to climb despite normal usage, it may be worth evaluating the condition of your windows. Upgrading to new awning windows can improve energy efficiency and help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively. Outdated appearance. Windows contribute significantly to your home's curb appeal. Old awning windows with faded frames, outdated styles, or cloudy glass can make your home look older than it really is. Replacing them with modern designs instantly refreshes the appearance of your home. Today's awning windows come in a variety of frame materials, colors, and finishes that can complement both traditional and contemporary homes in Sterling Heights. A smart upgrade for comfort and efficiency. Replacing old awning windows isn't just about fixing problems. It's also an opportunity to improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall value. New windows offer better insulation, smoother operation, enhanced durability, and updated style. If you're noticing drafts, condensation, damage, or difficulty operating your awning windows, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Investing in modern awning windows can help Sterling Heights homeowners enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient home for years to come.